The Norse Pantheon is a vibrant and complex tapestry of deities, creatures, and cosmological beliefs that reflect the values, struggles, and aspirations of the ancient Norse people. Central to this mythology are the major divine families, the cultural traditions they inspire, and the symbols and practices that illustrate their enduring influence. The Norse Pantheon primarily consists of three significant divine groups, representing the principal gods of Norse mythology. The Aesir include key figures such as Odin, Thor, Frigg, and Tyr. They are often associated with war, governance, and the more complex aspects of existence. The Aesir are recognized as the ruling deities, and their interactions with humans and each other drive many of the narratives that populate Norse lore. In contrast to the Aesir, the Vanir are gods associated with fertility, prosperity, and nature, including deities such as Frey and Freya. They represent a more harmonious and contemplative aspect of the divine, focusing on skills such as magic and agriculture. The relationship between the Vanir and Aesir showcases the duality of human experience between conflict and cooperation, war and peace. Often cast as the adversaries of the gods, the Jotnar are the giants of chaos and primordial forces. Figures like Loki and Thrym embody the untamed aspects of nature and existence. Despite their antagonism, giants play an integral role within Norse mythology, illustrating life's inherent dualities, where chaos exists alongside order. The influence of Norse mythology extends into the modern calendar, where several days of the week are named after Norse deities. Tuesday, Tyr's Day, named after Tyr, the god of war and honor, reflecting his importance in matters of bravery and combat. Wednesday, Odin's Day, named for Odin, the Allfather, representing wisdom and knowledge. His association with this day underlines his role as a seeker of truth and understanding. Thursday, Thor's Day, named after Thor, the god of thunder, whose power and strength resonate with the force of storms and protection for mankind. Friday, Frigg Freya's Day. This day is dedicated to Frigg and Freya, both goddesses of love, beauty, and fertility, exemplifying the themes of nurturing and relationships. These names reflect the lasting legacy of Norse culture and how deeply intertwined their gods are with the rhythms of daily life. Valkyries are powerful warrior spirits who play a crucial role in the Norse understanding of fate and honor in battle. These divine female beings choose those who live and die during conflict, selecting the bravest souls to be taken to Valhalla, the hall of the slain warriors presided over by Odin. The Valkyries not only embody the virtues of bravery and valor, but also symbolize the divine selection of fate. The imagery of Valkyries, often depicted as fierce and noble, conveys the importance of honor in warfare and the belief that the valiant are rewarded in the afterlife. They serve as agents of destiny, guiding fallen warriors to their eternal resting place, and their presence adds a layer of mystery and reverence to the Norse conception of life, death, and the values placed on heroic actions. Central to Norse culture are the Elder Futhark runes, the oldest known runic alphabet, consisting of 24 characters. Each rune carries a name and has magical significance, often believed to possess inherent power for divination, magic, and communication with the divine. The runes were used not just for writing, but also for influencing fate and invoking protection or blessings. Each rune corresponds to specific meanings and attributes, reflecting aspects of existence such as life, death, love, and war. For instance, the Fihu rune symbolizes wealth and prosperity, while the Tiwaz rune represents honor and justice in battle. The use of runes in rituals and divination illustrates the deep connection between language and magic in Norse tradition, emphasizing the belief that words could shape reality and alter destiny. The Norse Pantheon and its associated traditions reveal a rich and intricate worldview, rooted in the interplay of divine forces, human experience, and the natural world. The distinct groups of gods, the naming of our days, the warrior spirits of the Valkyries, and the magical runes all contribute to a cultural legacy that continues to resonate today. These elements highlight the values that define Norse society: honor, bravery, love, and the interconnectedness of all things in a complex and ever-evolving cosmos. As we explore these myths and practices, we gain insight into the enduring human quest for understanding, meaning, and connection in the face of life's uncertainties.